Alright guys, I am making air conditioning for my boat, for the cabinet. Probably wondering what the heck this is. This used to be a window air conditioner. So what I did, I took it apart, separate them, so I can put this one outside, that one inside. Probably put this one outside next to the condenser. Alright. It's been 3 days, so far so good. I custom built all this. The lumen cover. It's not done yet. Still got a little more work. Got to sand and paint it. TT200. Bonding. Rivet. Some screw, just in case I have to be update. Alright. Still making a little more piece for this right here. Just gonna go in here. See how it cover, make it looks nice and neat. Alright, I didn't want to spend $5,000 on a marine AC, so I make my own. Another man's trash, another man's treasure. Basically, it's my old trash. I make a new. It's my old compressor. Air conditioner was leaking, so the compressor to work good. So hopefully that'll work.